What's up guys, it's Exotics UK or Lewis, and today we've got a parcel from Sean K on Asho isopods on what apps. Real good group, real good banter. Anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. Packed with a poly box with holes in. So heat pack in here, still toasty and warm. Some isopod food by the looks of it. Cubaris Thai Blue Angels ×5, or maybe a bit more, I'm not sure. I think these are a mix of dairy cows, oranges and Lavis wild type, Isle of Man locality. In here we got Autoratum persiceps or something like that, can't say its name. Cubaris Mariner. Oh, I didn't think he was sending. I didn't know he was sending them. And then my favourite, Panda Kings. So got plenty leaflet here, got tubs. Anyway, thank you for the extra freebies, Sean. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.